In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do the beard scrub routine with the beard wash. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. As you guys may know, and some of you guys may not know, we are doing the Beard Face Off Challenge, where I'm taking you on a step-by-step journey on how to grow the best version of your beard. And so I decided to trim my beard, shave my beard down, and be an example and show you these different routines and these different techniques and tips that's going to help you on your particular journey. So this episode, I'm going to go through the beard scrub routine with the beard wash. There's so many variations of beard routines throughout the week, especially if you're in your first week of growing your beard, which is super vital because that's what sets everything off. So if you do it right, then you can grow the best version of your beard. All right, so that's what I'm here to do. So kind of just break down a little bit about the beard scrub. If you guys haven't seen my videos, I've done videos where my beard was a lot longer with the beard scrub, which you should be doing no matter what length your beard is. I also did a video with my doing a beard scrub for my scalp, my armpits, etc., etc. It's all here on YouTube. But some of the benefits that you want to know about the beard scrub is, one, is going to remove dead skin cells. This is very important because bacteria and fungus can get caught underneath these dead skin cells. It can cause irritations, infections, you get bumps under your beard. The second thing benefit is that with removing these dead skin cells, that your beard can flourish. You have potential growth, but because you have like a lid, so to speak, with the dead skin cells, hair cannot grow when something is covering it. And you have layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of dead skin cells that you have not ever removed. That becomes very, very problematic. The third benefit is to prevent ingrown hairs. It's something that I've dealt with and something that I have to manage throughout my journey is my ingrown hairs. And the best way to do it is with our beard scrub. Now, our beard scrub, which you see here, this is our beard scrub. You get it? You got it? All right. It says face scrub. It's a utility scrub. All right. So when you go to our site with the link down at the bottom, just type in my face scrub and you will be able to find this right there on our site. The link will be down in the description and you'll get a direct link. With that said, let's go ahead and get into this routine. Step number one, I'm going to apply cold water to my face before I begin to wash my beard. Now that I got my beard damped, I'm going to begin to wash my beard with our My Wash, which is our beard shampoo. Now, I'm about to rinse my beard off with lukewarm water. Now that my beard is cleansed with my shampoo, then I'm going to use our My Face Scrub, which is a utility scrub that you can use for your beard, your scalp, your armpits, and of course, your face above the beard line. Now I'm about to rinse this off with lukewarm to cold water. The third step that I use is this is going to be the hydrator. And you don't need a lot, a little bit goes a long way. And in a circular motion, apply it to your skin, your beard. Now, the last step in this routine is I'm going to apply our My Serum. Our My Serum is our beard oil. Bada boom, bada bang. That is the beard scrub routine with the beard wash. Again, you want to use the beard scrub 1 to 2 times a week. This one in particular, this routine, this can be part of your beard wash routine that you do on a Sunday or whatever your beard wash day is. There is another variation of this routine, but I will show you how to do that on an entirely different episode. The link will be down in the description for the beard scrub. Also, if you haven't checked out any of our videos from our previous episode, please go check out that video and then be on the lookout for our next episodes. This is your boy B. As always, I'll see you guys soon. I'm out.